Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my September Simply Earth Essential Oils Recipe Box. So let's get this baby open and see what we got for September. If you have been watching my Simply Earth videos in the past, you know this is the colored box that's normally back there. And this is the free box that you get the month that you sign up. But you not only get that month, because they know you're using everything in here, if you stay subscribed, you also get it every 6 months. So it's time for my 6-month refill, so let's dig into this. In this blue box will be my bonus items that, like I said, you get every 6 months, but my regular box will also be in here. And they have set it right on top. That's what it looks like. And we can just take that out. And this is actually the September box. And then inside the bonus box, if you have watched this in the past, the beauty of Simply Earth is that they will give you oils, tell you things to do with them, and then give you the ingredients you need to make the recipes. So when you first sign up, what you will receive is your coconut oil, and this is the hardened coconut oil that you use in like balms and that kind of thing. You will receive 100% pure beeswax. You will receive a fractionated coconut oil, which just means liquid, and that will be a carrier oil for you. You will also receive an almond oil, also liquid, also a carrier oil. And then you will also receive 6 each 10 ml roller balls that you can make your recipes in, and 5 ml bottles that you can make recipes in. I'll tell you all about those as we come across them now. So since 6 months had passed, I received another one of these boxes. You don't pay for it every 6 months. They just send it to you every 6 months. Now, down to our September recipe box. And it's the Simply Earth Essential Oils Recipe Box. And each month in this box, once you've signed up and you've gotten that your initial month, the following 5 months, you will receive this. And it will have 4 oils in it, 6 recipe cards, plus items that you need to make the recipes. Because they don't want you to get a recipe and then run around looking for, oh, you know, like last month I think we had the little lip balm containers. They gave them to us so we didn't have to go out and find them. When I opened this month up, this is what it looks like. We have the stickers that when you make the recipes, you can attach to whatever you've put the recipe in. Because, and I have said this in the past, although I know, I always think, I'm going to remember what I put in this bottle. A month or 2 goes by and I'm like, which was that? So I use the stickers now. I have the recipe cards, which also have information on the back. We'll get into those. My 4 oils, plus my extras. So let's just dig into the 4 oils that I have. And as I take them out, I will tell you that, like I always say, when you use essential oils, you have to be mindful of them. If you're going to apply them to your skin, you want to use a carrier oil. Like in the little 10 ml bottles that I showed you, because you're going to apply it to your skin, you're going to fill this almost all the way to the tippity top with your carrier oil, just an almond oil or your fractionated coconut oil. And then when you use one of these oils, you're just going to use 5 or 6 drops. Yeah, 5 or 6 drops in this entire bottle. And that's what makes a recipe. It takes so little, and you don't want to use more than it calls for because it can be really sensitizing to your skin. Okay, I'm going to glass up and tell you a little bit about this, and then we will open those oils. And another thing that I absolutely love about this box is they are a box that gives back. And this month they're giving to Exodus Cry. And that is what that looks like. And it says, every person should be free. By purchasing this month's recipe box, you are bringing people freedom with Exodus Cry. 13% of the profits at Simply Earth go to organizations committed to ending human trafficking. This month, you're making a difference with Exodus Cry. 13%. I think that's fantastic. Exodus Cry is shifting culture, changing laws, reaching out, and creating films that are changing the way people think about human trafficking in society. They always choose really great organizations to work with. We also have our October sneak peek. I will really try and remember to talk about that at the end. I did remember last month and I was so proud of me. And a note from Katie, who is the owner. It says, this month you are making your home smell better than ever with the You Stinker recipe box. So our theme this month is You Stinker. Most store-bought air fresheners are filled with synthetic fragrances and toxic chemicals. With how quick and easy this month's recipes are, you'll never want to go back to those toxic sprays again. This month's 4 oils are, we have a lemon eucalyptus, and that is what that looks like. I have to open these. I always have to open these and give them a smell. I just love the scent of essential oils. That smells nice. I will admit, it is not my favorite scent. It does not smell at all like eucalyptus to me. Or lemon. Lemon eucalyptus must have nothing to do with either lemon, maybe, or eucalyptus. It must be an entire plant onto its own. And on the back of this card, it tells us a little bit about each of the oils. But what the most important parts are is, again, you have to remember not to use it on your skin undiluted. And the lemon eucalyptus repels insects and deodorizes. I believe it repels insects. General safety, and it will tell you this about every oil that they send you. Dilute before using on the skin. Kids safe, ages 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, yes, but consult your doctor. And as I have said in the past, I would never take up essential oils while I was pregnant. I just wouldn't. Essential oils do great things. They can be super safe, but you also need to be aware that they are super, super strong and you have to use them right. It's easy to use them right, but you don't want to be slathering your body in them straight. You don't want to be using all of them if you're pregnant or on small children. This is cat and dog safe, and they will always tell you in here if an item is cat or dog safe because, like I said last month, you don't want to get this on your hand and then pet your dog and have it be something that makes dogs ill. So you just have to be aware of what you're using. The next scent we have is, ooh, blood orange. That's awesome. I bet this is going to smell really good. And Simply Earth uses really pure oils that they say are third-party tested to ensure purity. Oh my goodness. You can see how it's even made the top of the cap orange because it's just orange. And it smells so good. It smells just like orange. I love it. One of my favorite, the citruses are one of my favorite scents, especially to diffuse. Like if you have a diffuser, you just put like 3/4 of a cup of water and then like 5 drops of this into the diffuser and diffuse it into your house. That said, follow your diffuser's instructions, but that's as a rule what they are. That smells so good. And this says that blood orange uplifts, cleans, and soothes pain. Dilute it before using on the skin. They're all going to say that. I could probably quit saying that, except for I feel better saying it. Kids safe, ages 2 and up. Pregnancy safe, consult your doctor. And it is not cat safe, but it is dog safe. Next, we have clove. Anybody else but me love the scent of clove. I love it. My mom, and everybody may do this, but I'm just going to tell it like it's unique to us. My mom always puts clove in chili, just whole cloves, and then she fishes them out at the end. I love that scent. Let's open this up. Oh yeah, it smells just like clove. And now I want chili. That smells so good. And our paperwork tells us that it supports focus and your immune system. I should keep this up here and take a really good whiff just before I start a video to maintain focus. And this is the first time I've ever seen this on one of their oils, says skin irritating. Dilute at a rate of 0.5% or less. It is kid safe 10 and up. It is not pregnancy safe, and it is not cat or dog safe. So clove is something you need to be really careful with. 0.5% dilution rate. That is a really small amount. Okay, and our last oil is called Defender. So it's going to be one of their blends. So their Defender is cinnamon, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and clove. Let's smell this. That blend sounds fantastic. Oh, it is. It's really nice. That smells really, it smells fall-like. Yes, it feels very fall in here now. And the Defender blend says boosts immunity, kills germs. Skin irritating, dilute at a rate of 3% or less. Kids safe, 10 and up. It is not pregnancy, cat, or dog safe. But we know that that's because it has clove oil in it. And we had already read that about clove oil. So that's why this is going to follow that same line. This month's theme was You Stinker. So we have our 6 recipe cards that in theory are going to give us ideas to make things smell better. And our very first recipe is the drawer deodorizer. And you take cotton balls, a small cotton bag, 5 drops of the blood orange, and 5 drops of the clove. And look, they've given us a cute little drawstring bag. So we just take our own cotton balls, put the oil on it, poke it in this, stick it in a drawer, and it'll make whatever is in that drawer smell nice. Next, we have the Smell Fresh body spray. And this is a 1/4 cup of distilled water, 4 drops of the Defender, 4 drops of the blood orange, and 1 tablespoon of the fractionated coconut oil, which is just the wet coconut oil. Put that in a spray bottle. It says shake to mix, but you're gonna have to shake it every time you use it. Just give it a quick shake. And it says just shake and spray to deodorize yourself, shoes, or a space. And for the Smell Fresh body spray, they gave us the sprayer. They gave us the little bottle that's a sprayer, So when we make the recipe, we actually have the bottle to make it into, because who has a bottle that's just laying around their house? I don't. All right, next we have a no stink disc. I don't know what that means. Let's see what that means. It takes a cup of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of distilled water, a mold like an ice cube tray, a tablespoon of the fractionated coconut oil, 3 drops of the lemon eucalyptus oil, 7 drops of the blood orange, and 3 drops of the clove. Then what you do is you mix all of the ingredients and then you press it into your little molds, like if you used an ice cube tray or whatever you used, and then they will dry, and then you will take them out. And then they say to just put those little discs that you'll have wherever you want them, like in the bottom of a trash can, anywhere you want to make smell fresh. That's really cool. The next we have a mini card diffuser, and that takes felt wool balls. But look, they gave us these really cute little felted wool balls. They look like the little dryer balls, but only tiny. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. So you take a needle and 6 inches of embroidery thread and you pull it through these wool balls, and then you tie a loop in one end and a knot in the other, and you hang it from your car mirror or vent or key ring, and then you add the essential oils and it gives you something that will fragrance your car. And then you could just put oils back on these whenever they need it. I am definitely doing that. And they have you do 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus and 2 drops of the blood orange on this. So in theory, if you really like this and you wanted to keep it in your car and continue to do it, what you could do is take your little 5 ml bottles, and you know that it's 3 parts of the lemon eucalyptus and 2 parts of the blood orange. You could make this whole bottle of it and then just go back in. It would already be mixed, boop, 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 and do that once a week or however often you thought it needed that. Those are just so stinking cute. It's like tiny little dryer balls. Anyway. Next we have Defeat the Reek Diffuser Blend. And now you can just buy diffusers anywhere. Actually, I bet they sell them on the Simply Earth site. And you just put a little water in it and then some oils in it, and it just makes a cold mist into your air, and it makes the area smell so fantastic. And this one is 1 drop of clove, 1 drop of the lemon eucalyptus essential oil, and 2 drops of the blood orange. So say you do that and you like it, and you want to, you're like, yeah, this is what I want my house to smell like for the fall. Again, you can take this and make a master blend so that every time you want to do this, you don't have to get all 3 of those bottles out. You just need this one, which you will have put a sticker on so you'll remember what it was. Just saying, use the sticker. And it tells you on here to make the master blend, 25 clove essential oil, 25 drops of the lemon eucalyptus, and 50 drops of the blood orange, and shake. And it says, don't forget to label. True story. And our last recipe is the Don't Bug Me Roll-On. And this is to keep bugs away, and they have you make it in a 10 ml bottle, and you put 3 drops of the lemon eucalyptus, 1 drop of the clove, and 10 ml, which is what this is basically, of the fractionated coconut oil in here. And you've got your blend that you just roll a little on you to keep the bugs away. So that tells you how strong essential oils are. In this bottle, all you need is 4 drops of oil to make something effective. 1 drop of clove oil. All right, so that is the September 2020 Simply Earth box. I like it a lot. So we are mostly trapped in our houses right now, and we are trying to stay safe. I feel like I'm using a lot more, room sprays and that kind of thing. And I'm really glad that I have all of the essential oils, because if you're going to spray something into the room, I would much rather it be an essential oil than something with all of the chemicals. So I will put the link and my code below, and the code is just KathrinFree, and the box is $39 per month. But what you will get with that KathrinFree code is you will also get a gift card for $40 off your next purchase. So for the first month with your $39 subscription, you will get the essential oils box that you just saw me open, the bonus box that you just saw me open, and a $40 gift card toward a future purchase. That's a really good deal. So if you have any questions about any of this, if it's something that I can help you with, I am happy to do it. Just let me know below. Thank you so much for coming by to check this out. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care. If you didn't go away, I'm back. I forgot the October sneak peek. I always forget the sneak peeks. So let me tell you, the October sneak peek is DIY Spa Day. So you will receive the Breathe Easy blend, eucalyptus, mandarin, and a new fall blend. So they're kind of keeping us hooked. And the hint they give us for the recipes is we'll learn how to mix oils and water using an emulsifier to make amazing spa quality recipes like body polish and moisturizing spray. Okay, so that is our sneak peek for October. So if you stuck around, now you know. Bye guys.